Now for the part that we all been waiting for, the transfer proof, okay? Let's see. Hi you all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today you all, we have an exciting video. Today is all about this newly released product right here. This is the Fenty Beauty You Missed Makeup Extending Setting Spray. This just recently dropped and you all know that I had to get my hands on it. And I picked her up from my local Sephora. This has been the talk of the town, all the hype. So if you're interested to see how I use this, first impression, demo review, all that good stuff, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, please be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram at iamSimoneC, same as my YouTube channel. Let's jump right into it. So again, we are testing and reviewing the newly released Fenty Beauty You Missed Makeup Extended Setting Spray. This just recently dropped and you all know that I had to get my hands on it. Such a beautiful, sleek bottle. Okay, I love the color, very light pink and like a mauve rose tone. You get 3.4 ounces of this product and it retails for 32 bucks. The description states that it is a super fine mist, which gives you up to 12 hours of wear that you can use before your makeup, during your makeup, and after applying your makeup. It also claims to have a transfer-proof shield built right into this. I found out about it on my Explore page while like scrolling. I saw Rihanna pop up. She was using this. I didn't see any transfer on her paper towel, and that made me like, yeah, gotta run. Let's test this and see what that's about, because girl, I am oily. My makeup always transfers, you know, long days, you know how it goes. So I hope this is what it claims to be. Okay, I hope it lives up to its standard. So here's the mist. It is really fine. And it smells very good, almost like nothing, very subtle, like the typical signature Fenty products. Love that for us, not too much fragrance and not overpowering at all. So I'm gonna start by using this as a primer. Let's spray the face. And I'm gonna take my fan to help everything just dry down. So I'm going to add some spray now during steps. So we did the pre, now this is the during. So we're going to let this sit a little bit and then we'll be right back. Now let's begin to blend these all in. Okay, so my base is looking flawless, all right? Let's set these powders into place. Okay, let's melt them down. That looks so good. Okay, so let's finish this beat. So now we're going to dry the face down one more time. Yes, this look really came together. I love it. Now it's time for the moment we all been waiting for. Transfer proof test, okay? Let's see. Do you see that? Nothing. Nothing. Oh my goodness. Rihanna, come to the front. Come to the front, because what you put in here, that's it. That's it. Rihanna, girl, what did you put in here? This is it. This is what we've all been waiting for. This is surely going into my makeup bag and a part of my staples and my collection, okay? I need this right here in my life. The transfer proof said it all, okay? If any other part of the video you were unsure of, the transfer proof, the test on a regular white napkin said it all. Totally worth it. Run, don't walk, okay? Run as fast as you can. Do not walk. I'm definitely interested to see how long this spray holds up for, but so far she's doing an awesome job. To those always on the run, busy schedule, work, school, errands, so on and so forth, I think you should definitely invest in this spray. It's going to be totally worth it to make all of your makeup long lasting. Set in place with a natural finish, and that's what we love. So yes, y'all, that completes my final thoughts on the newly released Fenty Beauty You Missed Makeup Extended Setting Spray. Please let me know, are you interested in this spray? Have you even heard of it? Did you see it pop up on your Instagram Explore page like I did? Okay. Is today's video gonna make you want to run out and grab it? Please let us know. Let's get a conversation going down below. I hope you all enjoyed it and the look I created for you all today. I'll be sure to list each and every product that I used in today's video down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience, as well as any miscellaneous items such as my hair and accessories that I'm wearing. As always, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and your family, and you all, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.